let's have a final run of the project. So there's the dispatcher that we have implemented, and we have the performer that we have recently implemented. And I also have a queue with me where you can see grid queue is empty right now. View transactions, it's empty. Moving back to this, I'll go to the robot tray and we'll try to trigger the dispatcher first. So that we'll be able to add the items to the queue. So it is running right now and it has ended. Let's go back to the queue and just check if it was able to add the transactions. Yes, it was. So here are the 5 transactions that it has added. So the next thing that we have to do is we have to use the performer to process those items available in the queue. Just click on play button here and it should trigger the process right here. And here is the name. So this is the second transaction it is trying to process. So maybe the delay might be it was unable to send the email. So email sending might have taken a lot of time in between. So this is Sushant this time. Okay, this is the fourth transaction. And this is the last and fifth transaction. After this, the application will be closed and the process will be ended. Yeah. So as you can see, the process has ended. Okay, let's go back to the queue and see if they were processed. As you can see, all the transactions were successful. And go back to the email and you can see we have received the email for all the students right here. So that was the final demo of the working code.